Want to create high-quality YouTube videos without spending hours writing scripts? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use ChatGPT to write full YouTube scripts. Step by step, whether you're making faceless videos, educational content, or storytelling shorts. ChatGPT can save you time and give your channel a huge upgrade. Let's dive in. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot created by OpenAI. It can write, summarize, rewrite, and generate ideas based on your input. It's like having a personal assistant that works 24/7 for free or very cheap. You just tell it what you want, and it writes it for you. From YouTube titles, intros, and hooks, to full scripts, outlines, or even comments. Here's what ChatGPT can do for YouTube creators like you. Generate script ideas in your niche. Create engaging hooks to grab attention. Write full video scripts in seconds. Suggest titles. Descriptions. Tags turn long videos into shorts. Rewrite your existing content to sound better, basically. It takes care of all the writing so you can focus on creating videos and growing your channel. Let me walk you through the process of writing a full script using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and give it a clear command. Example: write a 10-minute YouTube script about passive income using AI tools. Or give me 5 video ideas with scripts about AI for beginners. The more specific you are, the better results you'll get. Start your script with a strong hook. Ask ChatGPT. Write an attention-grabbing hook for a YouTube video about ChatGPT script writing. Example result: tired of staring at a blank screen? What if AI could write your next viral YouTube script in minutes? Next, ask it to generate a complete outline. Prompt: give me a 5-point structure for a 10-minute YouTube video about using ChatGPT for script writing. Then, you can ask ChatGPT to expand each section. Tell ChatGPT, now write 200 words explaining point 1 from the outline. It will generate detailed, structured voiceover content you can copy-paste directly. Repeat for all points. Combine them into one script. If the writing feels robotic, you can fix it. Ask ChatGPT, rewrite this script to sound more conversational. You'll get a version that sounds more human, like you're talking directly to the viewer. Here are a few tips to get better scripts with ChatGPT. Use clear, specific prompts. Give examples of tone or format you want. Ask for edits like more exciting or make it shorter. Use versioning. Try 2 to 3 different outputs and combine the best parts. Don't rely 100%. Always edit slightly to match your voice pair. ChatGPT with other tools to build a full YouTube workflow. CapCut or Pictree to turn your script into a video. Eleven Labs or Murph. AI for realistic AI voiceovers. Canva or Thumbnail. AI to design thumbnails. TubeBuddy to add tags and optimize SEO. With this combo, you can automate almost everything, even without showing your face. Let's say your video is about best free AI tools. Your prompt might be, write a 7-minute YouTube script for a video called Top 5 Free AI Tools You Need in 2025. ChatGPT will return the full script: intro, tools, explanations, and conclusion. You're ready to record in minutes. If you're serious about YouTube but struggling with time or ideas, ChatGPT can be a game changer. It's free, fast, and flexible. But remember, the key is learning how to ask the right prompts. Want more tutorials like this? Subscribe for daily tips on AI tools, faceless videos, and growing your channel faster. Thanks for watching, and go write your next video with ChatGPT right now.